Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources, and today we're going to be looking at solving quadratic equations. So solving quadratic equations using the formula. This method works in all cases, but especially when the quadratic expression cannot be factorized. And the formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let's go into, let's look at example 1. Solve p squared plus 8p plus 7 equal to 0. Given our answer to 3 decimal places. Now let's understand something first, that this is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. The question has p squared and an 8p term. We can convert that. So that means it will be a p squared plus b p plus c. Okay. And something to note is this p squared term has a coefficient, and that coefficient is, if you said 1, you are correct. 1. So let's go. So my a is equals to 1. My b would equals to, we take the sign and the number, 8. Same thing as saying plus 8. C is equals to, we take the sign and the number. In this case, it is positive, which is the same thing as writing plus 7. I could have done the same thing here, plus 8. So instead of saying x, we can say p. So p is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So p is equals to, our b is positive, so it will be a minus 8 plus or minus the square root. Our b again is 8, so we're squaring that, minus 4 by a is 1, c is 7. All over 2 times 1. So p is equals to a negative a plus or minus square root. 8 squared is 64 minus 4 by 1 by 7. That is 28 all over 2. P is equals to negative 8 plus or minus the square root. What is 64? Take away 28, we're going to get 36 over 2. Now we know the square root of 36 is 6. So p is equals to minus 8 plus or minus 6 over 2. Come over here, we're going to get two equations. So p is equals to negative 8 plus 6 over 2. Or p is equals to negative 8 minus 6 over 2. So minus 8 plus 6. My bigger number is negative. P is equals to 6 from 8 is 2. And negative 2 over 2. P is equals to also negative 8 minus 6. What we do here is we add and we keep the signs. 8 plus 6 is 14. We're going to get negative 14 over 2. Cancel now. So 22 is 1, 2 to negative 2, we're going to get a negative 1. So p is negative 1, or cancel 22 is 1, 2 to negative 14 is going to give us a negative 7. So p is equals to negative 7. So our final answer, p is negative 1, or p is negative 7. So second example. 3x squared plus 8x minus 1 is equals to 0. It is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Let's identify our a. Our a will be the number in front of the x squared term, which is 3. B is the number in front of our x term. We take the sign and the number. And c is equals to the number and the sign in front, that's a negative 1. Let's write down the formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus 8 squared minus 4 by 3 by a negative 1 all over 2 times 3. X is equals to negative 8 plus or minus square root. 8 squared is 64 minus 4 3s are 12 by a negative 1 is going to give me a negative 12 all over 6. X is equals to negative 8 plus or minus square root of 64 plus 12 all over 6. So come over here now. X is equals to negative 8 plus or minus 64 plus 12, 76. So it's the square root of 76 over 6. So we're going to get our two equations. X is negative 8 plus square root of 76 over 6. Or X is equal to negative 8 minus the square root of 76 over 6. So X is equals to, now remember we want our answer to three decimal places. So I'm going to plug that in. Square root of 76 plus a minus 8 is going to give me 0.717. I'm going to keep that value divided by 6. I'm going to get 0.1196. Now I'm going to keep that. X is equals to here negative 6 minus the square root of 76. We got a negative 14.717797989. Divide that by 6. It's going to give me a negative 2.453. So we said 3 decimal places. So 3 numbers after the decimal point. So here we have, yes, this will be correct, 2.453. Negative 2.453. 3 numbers after the decimal point. But here we have 0.1196. That is going to give me 0.1. So here, let me draw my line. So this is a 6. So 19 plus 1, 2, 0. So that's my final answer. X is equals to 0.120 or X is equals to negative 2.453. And our answer is what? The 3 decimal places. The 3D. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.